Hi there. My name is Witter and I'm Chief Customer Officer with DyeMansion. I'm at Formnext 2024. While I'm walking around, I want to take the opportunity and introduce you to one of our new partners, ASM from Munich. Nice to meet you. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Doing well.
Great.
Philipp, just a couple of weeks ago, we introduced our strategic partnership where we collaborate together. And the role of DyeMansion is a global go-to-market partner. And we support you and offer the market the opportunity via our reseller network to get access to the new technology. Philipp, can you show us what you have introduced here and showing here at Formnext and what makes so much noise in the industry?
Yeah, thanks Kai. So we are happy for this partnership. So we are building an entry solution for vapor smoothing. We call it the VX1. It's a small-scale industrial entry vapor smoothing solution. So you know the big industrial machines, and we put it more compact for an entry solution. So this is our VX1. As you see, it's quite compact, but it still has a processing chamber volume of around 25 liters, which is actually the largest in this entry sector. So it's quite compact. You just need a power plug for installation and can directly smooth with the first run and have like amazing results.
Why do you think there is such a great fit between DyeMansion and ASM that led to our collaboration?
Yeah, so we were already in touch when we still weren't a company. We were still at university developing processes and materials for vapor smoothing, and we were in contact, and we felt like there's a good base for this partnership. We had good discussions. You mentioned your problems. We kind of also built the solution based on your input, and we are happy that now with our machine we have a strong portfolio for like entry but also industrial smoothing.
And we are offering a solution which is not based on PFAS chemicals. That's very important for DyeMansion. What is your position towards this topic?
Yeah, also for us it was quite important to have like non-hazardous chemicals. We're having a compact machine, and we recognized in the beginning, if we want to scale everything down to a compact machine, we can only work with sustainable green solutions. And this is also why we could fit everything in this VX1, and we are happy we're having a green solution without any PFAS.
Last but not least, allow one more question. You know that DyeMansion customers appreciate very much our end-to-end solution, the print-to-product workflow from cleaning to surfacing and dyeing. How easy is it to integrate your system and your process into a DyeMansion print-to-product workflow?
Yeah, actually it's quite easy, and we are happy it aligns so good with your workflow. So we also tested this before the fair and have the parts here. So we did the cleaning and surfacing with your machines, then we vapor smoothed with VX1, and we had the dyeing, and the colors are like brilliant. They are like homogeneous, they are bright, and we are really happy this aligns super good, so we can ensure together with this process from print to product with VX1 with DyeMansion.
Thank you very much. Take care. So that was my introduction to our new partner ASM. If you're interested to get more details about their VX1 solution, contact us, contact ASM or our partners like Bechtle AM in Germany, SG Solutions in Switzerland or Energy Group in Italy. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.